Hey folks, and welcome to Unit 5, I guess, and Week 13. So this obviously starts Essay 4. Okay, you guys put a proposal in for Essay 4 last week. Look for feedback on that by Monday night this week, maybe Tuesday morning, depending on how things go, but hopefully that by then. Then we've got 2 turn-in dates this week. That is important. So we've got on Thursday, November 15th. I want you to look over your feedback of the proposal. If it looks good, break your central research question down into smaller questions, as we did for Essay 3. Okay, and again, you see the template here, the sample research questions, just so you can take a look at a sample, and then a Dropbox to submit them to. Look for feedback on those. I'll be working on Thursday very hard to turn those around as fast as I can to you. So look over your feedback on those. And then start doing research. And then there's a template to do your research check-in. Okay? And this is due on Monday. That's it. I know it seems like a little, but my biggest piece of advice for Unit 4 in general is don't let anything get behind you for the next few weeks, okay? It looks like, we've got 4 weeks to write this, but it's going to move very, very quickly. Your research really ends more or less next week, and we start getting into the process of writing the draft. So we've got a pretty quick turnaround here. So turn in stuff early. I'll try to give feedback as soon as I can. I'll try to get in every day and do feedback. If you've got questions, do not hesitate to let me know.